The battery used here is smaller compared to the conventional size, so if your dash lights up like it's auditioning for a rave, this step-by-step video will show you how to replace the battery yourself, including info on the battery size and what to expect after installation. Before working on anything else, it's good practice to disconnect the negative terminal first, and then the positive. It's all explained in this video link on the screen if you're interested. Then loosen the clamp nut on the positive terminal. The nut doesn't have to be removed completely, just enough to pull the clamp off. Now to remove the bracket, loosen this nut until you can unhook the rod at the bottom. There are two of these, and you can loosen both if you'd like, but this one will do the trick. Now PB stands for lead, but today it also stands for personal best in awkward lifting. It's good practice to clean any corrosion on the terminals and battery posts with some fine sandpaper or this handy little wire brush. I'll leave a link in the description. Before we get to the size of this battery, make sure to line up the positive on the correct side. The positive terminal is slightly bigger than the negative. Then finish installing the bracket and the positive terminal first before connecting the negative. If you find these videos helpful, I hope we've earned your subscription by now, but even a like or a super thanks will be appreciated. Now these nuts don't need to be Hulk tight, but the battery shouldn't be able to move around by hand. Also, the battery posts are tapered, so push the terminal as low as possible over the post before tightening. Regarding the size, the majority of batteries are 175mm in width, so you'll be looking for a battery around 135mm in width to fit in the tray, but I'll leave some links in the description for the online options that will fit you. There were no warning lights on startup and a radio code wasn't required, but you might need to restore the radio presets. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.